Hi everybody, welcome to Advanced Ideas presentation of Outstanding Customer Service. My name is Professor Paul and I'll be your instructor today. In this training we've got some amazing benefits for you. First one is stop losing money. Hello, when you're losing customers, you're losing money. We have to make this stop immediately. 2, make more money from each customer. Study after study has shown that you can make more per customer for the same service, the same product, just because you gave exceptional service. This increases overall profit margins amazingly high, through the roof. 3, save advertising dollars. Advertising is way too expensive. And when you spend a fortune to get somebody through the door, it's costing you a fortune when they go out the door. We're going to make this disappear for you. 4, get more referrals. When people have an exceptional customer experience, they send more referrals. This means more money, more profits, and this is what? Free advertising. We said advertising dollars are what? Dollars. They're expensive. So much cheaper to get a referral. This is free found money. I absolutely love it. Now, if it sounds like I'm talking about money a lot, this is not an optical illusion. Do not adjust your set. That's what I'm talking about, because customer service is all about how to make more money, how to make more profits. If you're a business owner, if you're a manager, profits are huge. Even if you're a line worker, you're a service person, you're in the field, this matters to you too. You want job security? There has to be money coming in. You want to get a raise? Each boss knows how much you make or how much you lose them to the penny. So when you go for a raise, you want to be able to demonstrate that you gave outstanding customer service, that they hear back about this, so that you go for a raise, you get one. And 5, and this is very important to everybody, we want to be able to solve problems fast. Owners don't need any more problems. Managers don't need any more problems. Employees don't need any more problems. We're going to teach you how to solve these problems and solve them fast. Great benefit. So, why is customer service critical to your company? In a recent poll, 85% of respondents said they would pay up to 25% more for a superior customer experience. Look at that phrase, a superior customer experience. As we're going through this training and as you're going through your day-to-day, always say to yourself, what creates a superior customer experience? How can I give the customer a superior experience? Now, 55% of people are willing to recommend a company due to outstanding service, much more so than product or price. I know you think you might have the best price in town, you get the best product in town, and that may be true. But a huge part, at least half of all the people that are recommending you, more than half, are doing it because you gave outstanding customer service. People are so frustrated with the service they get in most places that when you give outstanding service, they will refer you over and over and over again. Why? They love you. And they're willing to pay more because they don't want the hassles, and their friends don't want the hassles. And when you give outstanding service, when they give you a referral, they're doing that on their reputation, not yours. They have to feel very comfortable and very secure that when they refer somebody, that person is also going to have an outstanding customer service experience. Now, 55% of people became a customer of your company because of your reputation for great customer service. Over half your customers. If this were ever to stop, let me read this to you backwards. You would lose 55% of your customers. You would go under. So to gain more customers, we need to provide not great, but outstanding customer service. Why? For the next reason here. 40% of your customers began purchasing from your competitors. Why? Because of their reputation for great customer service. They beat you on customer service. Now, there's no problem with this formula. The first one, the 55%, you can get people pouring in at a greater rate simply because you increased the value of your customer service. You gave them that outstanding customer service experience. And the 40% is awesome for you as long as you're on the right side of this formula. If you go from great to outstanding, you will be the one drawing away 40% of all your competitors' customers, and you will be absolutely killing it in the market, and profit margins will go through the roof.